Hello and welcome to another Jack Welding Specialist video. This episode I will be showing you how I have fitted air ride to the front of my Rx7 FB. So these are Golf Mark 6 front shock absorbers, these are AirX struts. I will be converting the bottoms of the shocks to adapt to the front hubs of the Rx7. These need to be cut off. First of all, I cut them off at a quite high length, and then I do need to turn these down just slightly. I turn the inside diameter of the hub and the outside diameter of the pipe out. Thank you for DK Automotive and Serial Speed Shop and any other friends who helped with the machining. As you can see, just had to bore the insides out until they sleeved in, and then yeah, just fit them in, make sure they're the right height, take out the gas struts and TIG weld them in. Now maybe I should have heated up the castings, but they didn't seem to be cast. They seem to be quite strong and good steel, so I've not noticed any cracks in the welds yet, and they've all been painted up. I will just put another video at the end of a bit more in detail machining, but as you can see, yeah, good penetration on the TIG welds. And then, yeah, just take your time making these sort of things. Obviously it's going to be your life on the line. But yeah, there's a couple of little measurements and stuff. But yeah, any other questions, just message me on this YouTube or Jack Welding Specialist or Jack Eats Rotary on my Instagram. Thank you. One more thing to mention is that obviously I had to make different top mounts for these struts. So what I had to do was take the measurements of the bearing at the top and the 4 bolts and also the adjusted bolts. Drew these up in Fusion 360 and got them laser cut out in 10mm. Obviously that's quite excessive, but it will take a lot of shit. But yeah, I do have these files, so if anyone would like some, then I can produce them. Just give me an email, and yeah, we'll see what we can do. Thank you.